everybody, it's me and Marion, aka Miss Foot Fixer. We have this wonderful patient here with a discolored lifted toenail. So we decided to, for today, kind of cut this all back and then decide after his wonderful holiday to kind of remove the nail. So I'm just cutting it back. So what do you guys think in terms of this side of the nail? Why does it look like that? Let me know in the comments below and then we can have a nice discussion. So the nail plate is really lifted, and the reason why it's likely to be lifted is because there's so much damage in the nail bed itself. So we're just cutting it back. This is really a bit like it growing. Look at this lovely nail plate. Hello everybody, it's me behind the wonderful videos, Marion Yell, aka Miss Foot Fixer. So if you want to come and see me, I am based in London, United Kingdom, and my website is www.footcliniclondon.co.uk. Thanks for watching, Foot Fixers. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Check me out on all the other platforms too, at Miss Foot Fixer. I'll see you soon.